Hey everyone, this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and this is my review for Brendan Mace's brand new product that's launching today called Print Monkey. Guys, Print Monkey is a compilation of 30 of Brendan's latest campaigns that he's used to promote affiliate products on WarriorPlus, and he's giving you his last 30 campaigns to use. He has a sales page that says 30 done for you campaigns make us over $1,000 per day. You get 30 affiliate campaigns that are proven to make money. Each campaign banked Brendan over $1,500. Use these campaigns as your own. Get paid instant commission. Each campaign includes a bonus page and a video page. Just add your info, your affiliate info, so you get the money and you get paid. Here's the sales page. You can go through it. So there's a lot of proof here. Brendan's making a lot of money, over $3,000 per day. Here's the software itself, Print Monkey. So you can see here are all the campaigns that have already been made. I want to show you how you make a campaign. It's really so easy. Firstly, here are the 30 campaigns that you can choose between. So say, for example, you want to promote UGen bot campaign. You choose UGen, you choose the campaign, you give it a name, UGen bot, and then you click here to go to WarriorPlus. It will take you to UGen bots, and you get your affiliate link 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say, for example, that was my affiliate link, and then I press publish. And what the software does now, it creates me 2 pages. There's UGen bots. Here's the review page. So just to show you what the review page looks like. We opened best product of 2020 so far. This is the page that I get. This button has got my affiliate link, and these are all the bonuses that Brendan gave away. So he's giving us permission to use his video, plus my affiliate link is there, and all of the bonuses. And if we go back to Print Monkey and we look at the bonus page, here's the bonus page where you put in WarriorPlus and where you deliver all of the bonuses that he used. So essentially, he's giving you his video page to use and his video plus all of his bonuses. Let me quickly show you the funnel so you know what to expect. The front end is $12.95. That's 30 done for you campaigns. OTO1 is traffic training. That's extra traffic training. OTO2 is lifetime campaigns. Brendan will send you campaigns for the rest of the time that he's making these campaigns for life. Downsell is 14-day trial where you can have his campaigns for 14 days, then it's rebuilt at $37. OTO3 is easiest traffic ever. Everything will be set up for you by their team. OTO4 is limitless traffic, where you can put your pixels, your Google and your Google and your Facebook pixels onto their page and get all of the traffic. OTO5 is 100% commissions to sell the entire funnel as your own. So you're getting Brendan's videos, you're getting all of his bonuses. The software is really great, and there we go. I'm just looking for the page. Yeah, that's Print Monkey. So again, Print Monkey is 30 of Brendan's latest campaigns that we can use his video and all of his bonuses. There's great training in there Brendan explains why he promotes this way, his rationale, shows us money that he's been making on these campaigns. And for $12.95, you really are getting 30 campaigns that you can use, and you can mix and match the bonuses if you want to. You can create your own campaigns, plus they host everything. Guys, this gets my highest recommendation. I reckon that you should pick it up. I'm definitely picking it up. And this is Saul Maraney, Cape Town, South Africa. Thanks so much for watching my review.